All right, now it's time to learn about all the new cool stuff with Google Play Console, and I'm here with Matt to tell us all about it.
Hey everybody, we're super excited to be here. I/O is a big moment for us with the Play Console because we're all about developers. As you probably know, the Play Console is what developers use to publish their apps to Android devices through the Play Store. And what we've seen is over the years, we've gone from a Play Console which was simply about getting an app from A to B, from the developer to the end consumer's phone. Now it's so much more. There's really a hugely diverse set of tools that enable developers to be more successful with their app. And what we've found is that the user base has diversified as well. In addition to our core audience of Android developers, we have product managers, marketing managers, many other users wearing different hats in the organization are starting to use the tool. At I/O this year, we're announcing a whole new set of features as well as updates to some of our popular existing features. In some cases, these features are helping apps to be higher quality. And so we're launching Android Vitals, which is a whole new set of reporting about bad experiences on the Android device. So these are a user experience where your app may be crashing, or your app may be rendering in a slow way, or you may have excessive wake-ups, stuck wake locks that are causing excessive drainage on batteries. So we're going to start revealing that reporting to developers that can help them to debug, understand more about optimizing their app for the variety of devices that are out there, and that's one of many different new features we're launching. Another one, actually you can see on the screen behind me, is the device catalog. So Android's diverse ecosystem has been a tremendous strength, a source of the scale of the 2 billion Android devices that are out there now, but that diverse ecosystem can also be hard to navigate and understand for developers until now, because the device catalog is a much easier way to browse the more than 1,000 different Android certified devices. You can search and explore these devices by spec, like RAM, like system on chip, and you can then see reporting information about the number of installs your app has on that particular device or on that group of devices, how much revenue you're getting, how your ratings compare, which can really help you to understand whether any of the bad behaviors, any of these problems that users may be having with your app are concentrated in a particular area, which can be critical to optimizing and making your app super high quality. So we're finding, even just in the initial testing, which we've now completed, this feature is rolling out to all developers. We found our early testers have really embraced these tools. It's really helping them to be much more surgical in the way they think about targeting their app and making it a great experience for the end user. In addition to the features that help developers to build higher quality apps, we've also got a number of features which help to mitigate risk during the release process. And so when you're releasing a new version of your app, you may have an installed base of millions, potentially hundreds of millions of users. If you're pushing out a new version of your app, it can otherwise be a worrying time. You don't want to know that bugs are causing uninstalls. You don't want to know that information late. So we have a new release dashboard with very low latency reporting that helps you to have visibility of these metrics on the hour, every hour, as it's starting to roll out to potentially global audience of hundreds of millions of devices. And so this can help you to manage a release with a lot more confidence. A third area where we're launching new features right here at I/O is in the business area. And so developers, in addition to building amazing experiences, they want to make money, they want to grow their business. We have a lot of new reporting, including for app developers that have a subscription-based model. You can look at subscription by tenure, look at cohorts from when they've started, when they've installed the app, and how that life cycle trends over time. You can help to see how different inflection points are contributing to subscription renewals or people leaving a subscription. So it can really help you to manage your subscription business. And then in general, we have a lot of statistics that are available through the Play Console. In the past, they weren't always easily navigable, we have a new configurable statistics page, and with that page, developers are much more easily able to slice and dice these metrics, much more easily able to create custom configurations, to compare different time periods against each other, to compare one metric against another, and to introduce benchmarks of whole classes of apps so they can see how some of their reporting compares to peers who make similar apps. And so we think that features like this will really help developers to manage their apps as a business as well.
Wow, that was a lot of stuff. Thank you so much, Matt.
Thank you.